Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your app icon on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, click settings, and now here you'll find change app icon. Click on it. Here you'll find all these icon here. You can choose anyone you want and click save, and it will be saved, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.